Good morning, Clark Middle School. Well, it's early in the morning and I just came outside in my backyard here to kind of just start my day out, calm, listen to the birds. I hope you can hear them. They're really active this morning, and it's nice and cool out here. And so before I get started on working this morning, I thought I would just take a few moments for myself. I thought I'd say hi, and I thought I'd go over one more breathing technique with you. I have just a little bottle of bubbles, and bubbles are a great way to practice breathing. So let's try this. First off, I have to get the bubbles open, and I didn't do that before I started the video, so I'm kind of regretting it now because this plastic is really you might have to give me a moment here. Go on the blooper reel. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay, so bubbles are a great way to practice breathing techniques because, for one, you have to take a deep breath to be able to blow the bubbles. Oh my goodness. Didn't realize there was a foam cover. I'm gonna really need these breathing techniques. All right. I'm making a big mess. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so now I have the bubbles all open, finally. And bubbles are a great way to practice breathing techniques because you have to take a deep breath in order to blow the bubbles out of the wand. So we're just gonna take a deep breath. First of all, let's get our bubble wand loaded up here with bubbles. We're gonna take a deep breath. And remember, you want that deep breath to come from the belly to fill up your lungs. So really feel that your lungs filling up with air. Okay, so practice that for a few seconds. You can really feel your lungs fill up with air when you take that slow, deep breath. So we're gonna take a slow, deep breath, and then we're gonna slowly blow out to blow the bubbles, okay? Hold the breath for a second. And then slowly blow the bubbles out. So we're gonna try that again. So we're gonna take the deep, slow breath, and then we're gonna hold it for just a few seconds before we blow the bubbles. So I'm gonna take a deep breath. You're gonna blow all the way through till you can't blow any more bubbles. That practice is getting all of that air out of your lungs and doing that slow, deep breath in, hold it, and deep breath, slowly letting that breath out. So let's try that one more time. So if you have some bubbles, it's fun to try. It helps you practice those deep breathing techniques that you can use in any situation when you don't have the bubbles. So it's just a fun way to practice those deep breathing. I hope everyone's doing well. Check in sometime. I would appreciate hearing from you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.